1, go!
The penultimate qualification match, 2 quick strikes there over on the Red Alliance. The Wisconsin Regional, this year we saw these teams on opposite alliances. Now they are together, 9:30, 87-44. Bit of a misfire, but all shots are going up and in for Fondy Fire over on blue. They're showing you why they are the #1 seed, and they're looking to lock that down here in our second to last qualification match. They streak over, get a note in their possession. Their partners, Core 2062, drops one into that blue amp, attempts to. Meanwhile, a little bit of defense between the two Leviathan robots, Leviathans and Krakens, as 8744 lofts one up top. Team 930 usually in that feeding role, now actually playing cleanup for your Red Alliance. They've got one in the amp, try to add a second, not quite. They're gonna take a second try and just bouncing out. We'll see if they can get that dialed in. Meanwhile, their partner 6574 swerving over towards the amp side, now towards the blue amp zone, trying to play a little defense, but blue getting a few notes up in that amplified speaker. That's going to pull blue ahead to a 24-point advantage. But here comes red. 930 scores 1 into an amplified red speaker. They take aim, a bit of a misfire on the second. We'll see if they can get another red amplification cycle queued up. Just over a minute left in the match. Red starting to close the gap, but blue has something to say about that. They've got an amplification ready to go. Here comes Fondy Fire. Up and out, but their partner's Core able to get one in. Fondy looking for the rebound. Nicely done. That'll be worth 5 points into that amplified blue speaker. They streak back across the field. 930 gets one into the amp. Leviathans, their partners, put one into that unamplified red speaker, only worth 2. With 30 seconds here, blue starting to pull away. 26-point advantage for your Blue Alliance. We know that some of these teams have endgame climbs. We've seen it before. We'll see how that affects the end of this match. 20 seconds, time for the endgame. Here comes Fondy Fire, tossing another one up into the blue speaker. Core has got blue ready to amplify. With under 10 seconds, can they get one more amplified note in? Just a bit off, but up goes Fondy as qualification match 16 comes to an end. Let's take a look at those scores. Qualification match 16. This one's going to your Blue Alliance. 67-43. Nicely done. Those 3 rank points are going to just about secure Team Fondy Fire in that #1 position. We see Leviathans go down a bit, but still in the top 8, and Core at #9 could move in up to that top 8 before the end here.